So for version 1 of TAMA, we have electric diamonds sprinkled in the background. This is for version 1. And for version 2, we have the electric diamonds in the background, but now we've added red crystals to the codes on the canvas labeled W, O, and X, as well as 3 pieces of red hearts. There are 2 red hearts on her earrings, and there's also one on her hair. These are the 2 red hearts that are dangling from her ear, surrounded by more red crystals, and then we've got another red heart on the clasp for her ponytail. Right there. And finally, for version 3, it is electric diamonds in the background, red hearts, red crystals, and we've added this time around some gilded crystals. And that is for the codes H, R, S, E, and this symbol on the screen.